Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if there's a minimum amount you need to have before you can cash out your crypto holdings on Coinbase? Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out today. So, grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's dive into the world of Coinbase withdrawals. Imagine you've been diligently investing in Bitcoin for months, and finally, the price has skyrocketed. You're ready to cash out and enjoy your profits. But what if Coinbase tells you, sorry, you can't withdraw less than $100? That would be a major bummer, right? Before we get to the main question, let's quickly recap what Coinbase is. It's one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, offering a platform for buying, selling, and storing various digital assets. Now, with so many users and transactions happening on Coinbase, it's natural to have certain rules and regulations in place. Addressing the main question. So, does Coinbase have a minimum withdrawal limit? The short answer is, it depends. While Coinbase doesn't have a blanket minimum withdrawal amount for all currencies, there are a few factors that can influence the minimum requirement. Factor 1. Cryptocurrency type. Different cryptocurrencies have different withdrawal minimums. For example, Bitcoin and Ethereum might have lower minimums compared to less popular coins. This is because these major cryptocurrencies have higher trading volumes and liquidity, making it easier for Coinbase to process withdrawals. Factor 2. Withdrawal method. The method you choose to withdraw your funds can also impact the minimum amount. For instance, if you're withdrawing to a bank account, Coinbase might have a higher minimum to cover fees and ensure the transaction is profitable for them. However, if you're withdrawing to another cryptocurrency wallet, the minimum might be lower. Factor 3. Country and region. Your location can also play a role in determining the minimum withdrawal amount. Coinbase operates in various countries, and each region may have specific regulations or requirements that affect withdrawals. Additional considerations. Fees. Keep in mind that Coinbase charges fees for withdrawals. These fees can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and withdrawal method. So, it's important to factor in the fees when deciding how much to withdraw to ensure you're making a profit. Network fees. In addition to Coinbase fees, there are also network fees associated with cryptocurrency transactions. These fees can fluctuate based on network congestion. It's essential to be aware of these fees and include them in your calculations. So, there you have it. While Coinbase doesn't have a fixed minimum withdrawal limit for all cryptocurrencies, the amount you can withdraw can depend on factors like the cryptocurrency type, withdrawal method, and your location. It's always a good idea to check Coinbase's website or contact their support team for the most up-to-date information. If you're still unsure about Coinbase withdrawals or have other questions about cryptocurrency, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer your queries. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.